Hello friends and welcome to Sunet Tech YouTube channel. So this video is for one of my subscribers. So he wants me to make a program on BlueJ. So basically BlueJ is a type of software which is used for programming in JavaScript language. Okay. So in this video I am going to print BlueJ word in a pattern. Okay, let's show. So here I will write blue j. Okay, when I press enter you can see this pattern. Okay, so before we start, give a like to this video, and if you are new in our channel, just click on the red subscribe button. So let's get started. So I will click on new class and I will give any name to it. Okay, then after okay, now just select all and clear. Now first of all I want to tell you that we are going to use the scanner system to make our program. So for that, first of all we are going to write import. After that we will write java dot util dot abstract, then semicolon. So we have import java.util.abstract. Now we are going to give a name to our class or program. So we will write public class pattern. Okay, then oh sorry, since I have already created a pattern, so I give it patterns. Okay, then after I will give flower brackets, and inside it I am going to write public static void main, and then inside the bracket I will write string args and big bracket open and close, then again flower brackets. Now we are going to start our program. So since we are going to use scanner, so we will write scanner in is equal to new scanner, then parenthesis, then system.in. Okay, remember after this public static void main and this brace flower bracket we are going to use semicolon. Don't use in pattern or in public static void main line, otherwise there will be a problem. Okay, and also use semicolon in import. Okay, so we have we have wrote our scanner. Now from here our program is started. So we will write int a. So int means integer, as you already know, because for this pattern you must know the basics. Okay, then we are going to write string. String means the alphabets, not alphabets, the words are known as string, like this main, scanner. So I am creating a string and naming it st. Now first we want the user to enter the word, so we will display a message for him. So we will write system dot out dot println. Okay, so we are not going to use print, because if we type print, the program will show in a single line, means not in that pattern work. Like with paragraphs we are writing, and as you can see shown in the starting of the video, if you are using print, then it will display in a single line, so we don't want that. Okay, so inside println, inside bracket, just give quotes and write the message whatever you want. So I will write enter the word to print in pattern. Okay, then after one more time I am going to write system dot out dot println, and I will leave this empty. So this will work as paragraph. Okay, so now we are going to write st is equal to in dot next. So we have not assigned, but we have told that st is a, means, as you know that in scanner we are writing or telling the system that st is a string which we are going to write. Okay, and we will assign b as st dot length. So means the length of st. Now the st will be our word, like blue jay or scanner. So its length, what will be its length? So the length will be number of words. So in scanner 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so the value of b will be 7. If we write blue jay, then the value of b will be 5, as it contains 5 characters. Okay, now we are going to write system dot out dot println. So after that I want space, so this is for space. Okay, I will copy it, paste it, and here I will write the pattern. Then after I will write for command. So in code.org we are using for command. So for, now we will assign the value of a. In code.org we are writing variable I is equal to 0, but here I have already created integer a. Okay, so here I am not writing any variable only. And second thing, we are not using variable in BlueJ. Okay, after colon semicolon, then a is equal to b, means the a will be equal to the length of the word. Then after a plus plus, means now this a plus plus means first it will display a means 1, then after it will increase the number by 1 means 2, then after it will increase the number by 1 3, like that 4 5 till it becomes equal to b, means the length of the string. Okay, now as we are writing for, we will give cover brackets, okay, and now we are going to write system dot println, and here, sorry, not quotes, but here we are going to write st dot substring, then small brackets, and we are going to write 0 comma 1. Okay, and we are going to compile it. Int cannot be converted to boolean. Okay, wait a minute, sorry, here I have a mistake. So here I will write a is will be smaller than equal to b. Okay, now compile. See, no syntax error. So now let's test our program. So see, you can see that the space here. Now enter the word. So I will write BlueJ, then press enter. You can see our pattern is printed. Okay, let's try one more time. So you can see, first I have to clear it. So it is started from here. Now I will give the name of my channel. Sorry, SAN Sonit Tech. You can see SAN SANIT, like this till Sonit Tech. So that's how you can make patterns. So if you like this video, give a like to this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, good night.